show you how to make a candle out of a piece of string, piece of cotton string, and some olive oil, and a glass. Copper thing, you could just bend a copper wire or anything, set right here. Get you a piece of string. You could just loop it over. I like to tie it. Just loop it through a couple times. Get your string all good and greased up. You want it about right there, and then you want to light it. Once you light it, set that there. Every once in a while, reach in there and pull out more string. When it hits the copper, it'll start to go out.